Hey everyone, how's it going? So I decided to do another Sonic Godzilla character crossover, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Biollante as a Sonic character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sonic Biollante crossover, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring it up here nice and tall. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to go over and then up to connect. Let's curve this line up a little bit more. Then let's bring this line over here. We're going to bring this line over and then up. You can see it's much smaller. We're going to make a little skinny oval shape in here and then a little skinny oval shape right in here. And we're going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Next, let's go ahead and bring this line up and then down here. And then we'll bring this line up and then down just like that for the eyebrows. Now, for the mouth over here, let's begin by bringing a line across here. We're going to make a little bump here. And then we're going to draw a little line here and make another little bump. Next, we're going to kind of curve this around. We're going to make this kind of wavy, and then we're going to bring this up to here. We're going to bring this line down here. Then we're going to come over a little bit. Now, right here, I'm going to bring this line across, a little wavy. And then we're just going to make a second line so we can kind of see the top of the mouth. Next, we're going to bring this line down a little bit. And then we're just going to bring this line up and then back here for the tongue. Then we're just going to connect this line and we're going to bring this line to here. Let's go ahead and draw this line down and up. Then we're just going to curve this around to here. Then let's go ahead and add some sharp teeth in here. And we'll put some sharp teeth here. Then we're going to put a few sharp teeth on this side as well. Now I'm going to put two little dots here for the nose. We'll connect this here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some kind of pointed lines like this. I'll do another one here. Some little points. And then I'll do a couple more here. We'll do one more little pointed one there. Next, starting right here, I'm going to bring this line down with some points. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around here. I'm going to curve here. And then I'm going to curve here, and then one more here. Then I'm just going to connect this line down, and I'm going to bring this line to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to bring this line up and down. I'm going to bring this line over and then down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and here. And I'll do the same thing. I'm going to come out and then down. And we can go ahead and draw a little line across. I'm also going to make one that's going to come out to here, and then out to here with a little line across. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to go over. We're going to come down, bring it around, and then up to here. We'll do another one here. We'll go over and down, bring it around and back. We'll do one more right along here too, just to give him some of those crazy legs. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down to here. We're going to come over and then bring it back. Go down here like this. Bring it across and then up here to connect. We'll do one over here. We'll go over and down, bring it around at an angle, and then connect. We're just going to redraw that line right across the bottom of the shoes here. And then we're just going to make two lines that just kind of go across here for some detail. Now let's kind of work on the arms here. So for the arm right here, I'm going to bring a line that's just going to come out, and then we're going to make it come out like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around to here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve here, and we're going to bring this up and down. We'll draw a line that curves here, one that curves here, and then one more. It's just going to curve like this. We'll draw a little line here, and we'll connect this, so it's like he's making a fist. And then we'll draw a little line here for the thumb. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and back in. We're going to draw a little line, and we're going to come up, over, bring it down, and then back to here. We're going to draw a curve right here for the thumb with a little line here. We're going to go out, down, and around, and bring it in. Then let's go ahead and draw a curve. We'll curve this here and down, curve a line here and down. I'll make one right here for the little pinky and connect. Now let's go ahead and add a couple details here, and then a little curve shape here too. Now we want to make some of those kind of crazy little vines coming out of here. So let's draw one that's just going to kind of curve up here, and we're going to bring it down. We'll make a curve here, and then a little curve here. Next, let's go ahead and bring a line that's just going to curve around and up. Then we're going to go down and up here. And then we're just going to bring this here. We'll put some pointy teeth in here. Then we're going to bring a line here and back down. Let's draw another one here. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and over. We'll draw like a C shape or backward C shape with a little line here. We'll bring this line here and then down to here. We'll make a line here and we'll curve it up. We'll draw a line here and down. Then we'll bring this around here. Then we'll put some sharp teeth here, here, and then here. We can also add some sharp teeth on this side. Now let's do one more up here. Let's just bring a line that's going to come up and down. We'll make our little backwards C shape. Bring this up and then into here. Then we'll go ahead and make our line across here. Make our mouth that goes down and up, and then one more here. We'll make some little teeth right in there. Then the final thing I want to do is I want to make it kind of look like Biollante has that glowing stomach. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some different size spots right on the stomach here of our Biollante. We're just going to kind of fill in some of these little kind of circle oval shapes like this. Just give it a little bit of detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun Biollante Sonic crossover. I had a lot of fun with this one. And if you guys have more Godzilla Sonic crossovers you want to see, definitely let me know in the comments. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.